So welcome back guys to my channel again, and this is Bamundowa market. So the bikes are parked here as today there is a fishing competition. Okramene fishing competition Chinari by Tingiratu Vaina Bongzo, Nimentazo, Egay Bamundowa Bazar, Lagabizam, fishing competition Sangita. ফিশিং কম্পিটিশন হৈ আছে ইয়া বামুনদোবা বজাৰ হয় এতিয়া আংরাকছা ndake repengrang rabar baganni salkhamo dongemong fishing competition ko nisuenga namen khasnade rabar baganni salkhamo. So fishing is going on, but this is the narrow way to go to the other side. And fishermen, the competitors are seated just at a narrow way, the boundary of the fishing ground. So just you can have a look here. They are in a seated position, just waiting for their luck. All they are eagerly fishing with great excitement in the hope of getting the prize. There are some banana trees. So I have to reach to the other side here. They are all seated and having a great time fishing here at the fishing pond. And you can see all around just in a silent guys. At this moment fishing competition is going on, so at it is ending at 2 p.m. After 2 p.m. there will be a prize distribution. This is the fishing ground here at Bamundowa, and many fishermen has come here to participate in the competition. So there are many vehicles parked just on the way to the Bamundowa Bazaar, and to my front you can have a look at the surrounding of the fishing competition and the pond here, the side. This is the Bamundowa Bazaar. You can see the local people as well as the fishermen just having their refreshment and walk on the way at the bazaar. So this is the bazaar. You can have a look all around, and let me show you the today's fishing competition. This is the first prize is 1 lakh, and the second prize is 50 lakh, and the third prize is 30,000. The second prize is 50,000. So this is the, you can see the venue, Byrom Pilapara Bamundowa Bazaar, and just near Rangsapara. Your landmark is given Diuli, from Diuli 20 kilometers away approximately. So there are some lucky draw, lottery draw, and the first prize for the lottery draw given here 30,000, second 20, and the third 15. So these are the pieces got after fishing by the fishermen, and this is the counter. There is more or less a big fishes here. You can see already weighted here. This is the highest one, 2 kg and 90 gram, and this one is the second. So you can have a look here. So more or less very big size, and as well as weight also.
এতিয়া আমি সিরিয়াল নাম্বার 28 ওজন হইছে 1095 গ্রাম এগুলো আমার কাছে নাহি এটার পুরস্কার তিনি গ্রহণ করবেন নয় আমি আজি